People have always looked up at the night sky and wondered about their place in the universe. The stars have held a special fascination for us since the dawn of time. Astrology, the study of the relationship between the movements of celestial bodies and events on Earth, has captivated minds for centuries. This ancient practice offers a glimpse into our personalities, relationships, and life paths. By understanding the language of the stars, we can gain valuable insights into ourselves and the world around us. Astrology invites us to explore the possibility that there is a deeper meaning and purpose to our lives. It suggests that we are not merely individuals but part of a grand cosmic dance, interconnected with the rhythms of the universe. In a world often defined by uncertainty, astrology offers a sense of order and guidance. It empowers us to make informed decisions, navigate challenges with greater awareness, and embrace the opportunities that life has to offer. The origins of astrology can be traced back thousands of years to ancient civilizations such as Mesopotamia, Egypt, and China. These early cultures were deeply fascinated by the night sky, and they meticulously recorded the movements of celestial bodies. They believed that the positions and movements of the stars, planets, and other celestial phenomena had a direct influence on earthly events and human affairs. This belief laid the groundwork for what we now know as astrology. These cultures observed the movements of the sun, moon, and planets, recognizing patterns and cycles that seemed to correspond with events on Earth. For instance, the Egyptians associated the annual flooding of the Nile with the heliacal rising of the star Sirius. Similarly, the Chinese developed a complex system of astrology that included the lunar calendar and the 12-year cycle of the Chinese Zodiac. These observations were not merely for agricultural or navigational purposes, they were deeply intertwined with the spiritual and philosophical beliefs of these ancient peoples. The Babylonians, in particular, are credited with developing the foundations of Western astrology. They created detailed star charts and developed a sophisticated system for predicting celestial events. Their observations and records were so precise that they could predict lunar and solar eclipses. The Babylonians also introduced the concept of the Zodiac, a celestial coordinate system that divides the sky into 12 equal parts. They divided the Zodiac, a band of sky through which the sun, moon, and planets appear to move, into 12 equal parts, each represented by a different constellation. This division allowed them to create a more organized and systematic approach to astrology. Each of these 12 sections, or signs, was associated with specific times of the year and particular characteristics. This system provided a framework for understanding the influence of celestial bodies on human life and natural events. These 12 constellations became the 12 zodiac signs we know today: Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. Each sign was believed to exert a unique influence on individuals born under it. For example, Aries, the first sign of the zodiac, is associated with traits like leadership and courage, while Pisces, the last sign, is linked to intuition and empathy. This system of zodiac signs has endured through the centuries, remaining a central element of astrological practice. Each sign was associated with specific traits, strengths, and weaknesses based on the perceived influence of the planets and stars. Astrologers believed that the position of the sun, moon, and planets at the time of a person's birth could shape their personality and destiny. This belief in the celestial influence on human life led to the development of natal charts, which mapped the positions of celestial bodies at the exact moment of birth. These charts are still used by astrologers today to provide insights into an individual's character and life path. Over time, astrology spread throughout the ancient world, influencing philosophy, medicine, and even the decisions of kings and emperors. In ancient Greece, philosophers like Ptolemy and Aristotle wrote extensively about astrology, integrating it into their understanding of the cosmos. In medieval Europe, astrology was considered a legitimate science, and astrologers often served as advisors to rulers. They used their knowledge of the stars to guide decisions on matters ranging from politics to medicine. The influence of astrology extended to the Islamic world, where scholars translated and expanded upon Greek astrological texts, further enriching the tradition. While astrology's role in society has evolved over the centuries, its fundamental principles have remained remarkably consistent, passed down through generations of astrologers who continue to refine and expand upon its ancient wisdom. Today, astrology is practiced worldwide, with modern astrologers using advanced software to create detailed charts and provide personalized readings. Despite the advancements in technology and changes in societal beliefs, the core idea that the positions and movements of celestial bodies can influence human life remains a captivating and enduring aspect of astrology. Astrology is based on the premise that the position of the sun, moon, and planets at the time of our birth creates a unique cosmic blueprint that shapes our personality, strengths, weaknesses, and life path. This cosmic arrangement is believed to influence the energies that surround us and the way we interact with the world. Each celestial body, from the radiant sun to the mysterious moon, plays a significant role in this intricate design. The alignment of these bodies at the precise moment of our birth is thought to set the stage for our life's journey, providing a map that can guide us through various experiences and challenges. This blueprint is reflected in our birth chart, also known as a natal chart or horoscope. The birth chart is a powerful tool that astrologers use to decode the cosmic influences at play in our lives. It is a detailed diagram that captures the positions of the sun, moon, and planets at the exact time and place of our birth. By examining this chart, astrologers can gain insights into our inherent traits and potential life paths. A birth chart is a snapshot of the sky at the exact moment of our birth, with each planet positioned within one of the 12 zodiac signs and 12 houses. These signs and houses are like the backdrop against which the planets move, each adding its own flavor and influence to the overall picture. The zodiac signs represent different qualities and energies, while the houses correspond to various aspects of our lives. The 12 houses represent different areas of life, such as love, career, family, and health. Each house governs a specific domain, and the planets' positions within these houses can reveal much about our experiences and challenges in these areas. For instance, the 5th house is associated with creativity and romance, while the 10th house pertains to career and public life. The position of the planets in these houses offers insights into our experiences and challenges in these areas. For example, if Mars, the planet of action and drive, is located in the 7th house of partnerships, it might indicate a dynamic and sometimes contentious approach to relationships. Similarly, Venus in the 2nd house of finances could suggest a strong connection between love and material security. By analyzing the relationships between the planets, signs, and houses, astrologers can provide personalized interpretations and guidance. They look at aspects, which are the angles formed between planets, to understand how these celestial bodies interact with each other. These interactions can highlight potential strengths and challenges, offering a deeper understanding of our inner world and external circumstances. Astrology is not a deterministic system that predicts the future with absolute certainty. Instead, it serves as a symbolic language that helps us understand the cosmic energies at play. It provides a framework for interpreting the patterns and cycles in our lives, allowing us to navigate our journey with greater awareness and intention. Instead, it offers a framework for understanding the energies and influences that are present in our lives, empowering us to make choices that are aligned with our true nature and potential. By recognizing these influences, we can better understand ourselves and our place in the universe, making informed decisions that resonate with our authentic selves. Astrology invites us to explore the depths of our being and the vastness of the cosmos, fostering a sense of connection and purpose. Section 4. Astrology in Everyday Life. Astrology has permeated various aspects of modern life, from influencing fashion choices to shaping our understanding of compatibility in relationships. Many people consult their daily, weekly, or monthly horoscopes for insights into the general trends and themes that may arise. While these general horoscopes can be entertaining and offer a broad overview, they do not consider the unique nuances of our individual birth charts. For those seeking a deeper understanding of themselves and their life path, a personalized birth chart reading from a qualified astrologer can be illuminating. Astrology can provide guidance in areas such as career choices, relationship dynamics, and personal growth. It can help us identify our strengths, work through challenges, and make decisions that are aligned with our values and aspirations. By understanding the astrological influences at play, we can navigate the ups and downs of life with greater awareness, compassion, and purpose. Section 5. The Zodiac's Influence on Personality. The Zodiac, a circle of 12 30-degree divisions of celestial longitude, has been a guiding force for many throughout history. Each sign, from Aries to Pisces, carries its own unique set of characteristics and influences. But how exactly do these signs shape our personalities and behaviors? Each of the 12 zodiac signs is associated with specific personality traits, strengths, and weaknesses. These traits are not just random attributes but are deeply rooted in the ancient wisdom of astrology. For instance, Aries is often seen as bold and ambitious, while Pisces is known for its compassionate and artistic nature. These characteristics are influenced by the element to which the sign belongs, fire, earth, air, or water, and its modality, cardinal, fixed, or mutable. The elements represent the core nature of the signs, while the modalities describe their mode of operation. For example, fire signs are dynamic and enthusiastic, while earth signs are practical and grounded. Fire signs like Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius are known for their passion, enthusiasm, and dynamism. They are often seen as the trailblazers of the zodiac, always ready to take on new challenges and inspire others with their energy. Their fiery nature makes them natural leaders and motivators. Earth signs, such as Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, are grounded, practical, and reliable. They are the builders of the zodiac, known for their methodical approach and strong work ethic. Their connection to the earth element gives them a sense of stability and a deep appreciation for the physical world. Air signs, including Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, are intellectual, communicative, and sociable. They thrive on interaction and are often the thinkers and communicators of the zodiac. Their airy nature allows them to see things from multiple perspectives, making them excellent problem solvers and mediators. Water signs like Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces are emotional, intuitive, and compassionate. They are deeply connected to their feelings and the feelings of others, making them highly empathetic and nurturing. Their watery nature allows them to flow with the currents of life, adapting to changes with grace and sensitivity. Understanding the characteristics of each zodiac sign can provide insights into our own personality traits, as well as those of others. By recognizing these traits, we can better understand our strengths and weaknesses and how we interact with the world around us. This knowledge can be a powerful tool for personal growth and self-awareness. It can foster empathy and understanding in our relationships, helping us appreciate the unique perspectives and motivations of those around us. By acknowledging the diverse traits influenced by the zodiac, we can build stronger, more harmonious connections with others. This understanding can lead to more meaningful and fulfilling relationships. While the sun sign is often the most well-known aspect of our astrological profile, it is important to remember that it is just one piece of the puzzle. Our complete astrological profile includes the moon sign, rising sign, and the positions of all the planets at the time of our birth. Each of these elements adds another layer to our personality and life path. A complete understanding of our astrological blueprint requires considering the positions of all the planets and houses in our birth chart. This comprehensive view can provide deeper insights into our motivations, challenges, and potential. By exploring our full astrological profile, we can gain a richer understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe.